I was watching YouTube when I came across a gravity knife made out of titanium, and it was a cool knife. So I got an idea to make one using 3D printer and make it work the same way. That's all this video is all about. Please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. I got a blade and I gave it a nice cut to my desired size. I then tried drilling a hole into the knife so I can create some kind of mechanism later to hold it in place, and I lost my drilling bit. I think I did it wrong. If you have any recommendation on how to drill stainless steel, put it in the comment section below. Having failed to create a hole, I had to create these two random cuts by the side to serve the same purpose and hold the knife in place as it slides. I know you're wondering where the scars comes from. I was trying to create a perfect mark on the blade like the one you see in this picture, and I messed it up, so I went with the quote that says any mistake is a design, and messed it up even more. Unlike other knife videos that are after perfection, if you've noticed, this video is not really about that. It's purposely for experiment, so not everything in this video are perfect. So let's continue. I gave the blade a cut to reduce the size because it was too long, and I do not want a very long gravity knife and have to print very long order for it. And I finished it up with sanding. After cutting, I designed the housing for the knife using Fusion 360. After hours of freestyling, I came up with a gravity knife-like design that is good enough. Sliced it all in prusa slicer and printed in PLA All parts came out well. I then gave it a good sanding, followed with a rough spray painting. And if you need all of the design files and all the STL files, you can find them in the description down below. I then assembled all of the parts as best as I could using screws and fast glues, waited for it to dry, and I used the wood for the joint. An idea I got from samurai holding their katana blade to the handle with just one small wood. I know it's a ridiculous choice for pivot joint, but this was never a perfect knife, as I've said from the start. So it's just for the purpose of experiment and seeing what a 3D printed gravity knife would look like. And just like that, our 3D printed gravity knife is ready. I don't think the blade is deformed and I could have done better. I'm convinced that if I put in more effort with the design and got a good blade, the outcome will be very much better, and it will be something that is useful and can be used as a household or day-to-day knife for cutting. If you like this video, well, do like it. Do well to like the video, share, and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and expect more videos, hopefully a well-made project very soon.